PayPal to shop online and you never have to worry. Your financial details are securely stored, ready for you to shop at millions of stores around the world. Whether it's that luxury bag you've always wanted, the latest gadget you've been looking for, or if you want to get some great quality clothes for the kids, just click the PayPal button, log in and buy it. It's that simple. When you shop with PayPal, if your item doesn't arrive or doesn't match its description, we'll reimburse you. And if you want to send it back, we'll even cover your return shipping costs up to a fixed amount. Enjoy safer and simpler online shopping. Join millions of people globally who use PayPal every day. Just sign up for free. Link your credit card or debit card and activate it for overseas payments. You'll keep earning your reward points with most cards when you shop. Get your PayPal account today.